Hi everybody, welcome back to Python for Beginners with sololearn course. We are here in B Programmer website to teach how to learn Python in 0 to 100. Okay guys, let's go to YouTube channel. You can see our channel by these buttons in our website or our link that you can see over this video. Okay guys, if you go to playlist, you could see this course in here, Python with sololearn, and in this video is the first part of this course, and in this part we go to uh, continue our course. Okay, I open a new tab and search sololearn in my browser and open this website. Okay, now we are here and I go to the courses in here and I click on Python for Beginners course. However you see, I before complete this course and I want to start again in first, so I start in season 1 basic concepts and lesson 1. If you are the first time that's opened this website, you just see the first season, the first lesson, and you must click on this lesson. Okay, I open this, and in this season and in this lessons, just you see some descriptions and other things that you need to know to introduce with Python. It said, welcome to Python. Python is the most popular programming language widely used in web and game development, data analytics, data science, machine learning, and much more. And other very useful Pythons is in AI or artificial intelligence. That is very useful in there. So I prefer this programming language to all of that guys who love AI or data science, machine learning, and other. Okay, guys. Uh, next section is this that it is a question who said Python is a programming language and you should check this one. Go to the next part. It said why Python. There's some reasons for why Python. Python has a simple syntax, which means you're able to learn it quickly and put it to use after just a few lessons. Okay, so we could type this code in our code editor and we can saw a result. Okay, so the example code shows the average salary in US dollars of an entry-level Python programmer plus a 15 annual bonus. Okay, it is average salary in US for Python programmers. Press the code block to open the code playground, then press run to see the result. You can try these codes in this place. Just you must click on try it yourself button and you can saw this code in here, and if you click on run you could see the result of this code. That is the average of salary, average of Python programmer salary in US. Continue and say it is a practice that what is the result of this code to print to uh, employ print 2 multiplied by 3, that is 6, who is here. So you should check the 6 and continue. Okay, and outputs. The print command is the easiest way to send the specified message to the screen or other display device. This message or output can be a number, text, or result of a calculation. Run the code below to see the output. So when you type print 60, you just see the 60 number in the result. So the print command is always follow the parenthesis containing the output we want to send to the screen. Okay, it is more points in print type that we will know in future. Just click on continue and answer this question. Who said which statement is used to send a message or output to the screen? It is a print statement. Printing text. Computers treat text and numbers differently. When printing text outputs, you need to enclose the text in higher single or double quotes. Okay, so you could print text or numbers in a string type with this type. You could write anything between a double quotation mark, and so the result is a string in the output. So the text in quotes is called a string. And it is a note for you. So they said the next in a print statement should be enclosed in quotes. Printing text. There are situations where you might want to print multiple messages in your code. So each print statement outputs text is a new line. You could print a message in new line like this, and if we go to try this, we saw the result like this. Close this code editor and click on continue. And it is a question for us. It says drag and drop to rearrange the code and generate the lyric of popular song as output. We are champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting. At the end, we are champions. Okay, we should we should print this sentence in the output by Python. So we should rearrange this code. We should print this sentence first, after this, and the last one is this. So print we are champions, my friends, is the first one. This one is the second. This one is the last one. Lesson takeaways. Also, now you know how to output text and numbers with Python. Remember the following important points. The print statement needs to be followed by parentheses enclosing the output we want to send to the screen. A text message, also called string, needs to be enclosed in quotes. You don't need quotes in output numbers. Be careful, so don't use codes when you want numbers in output. If you use codes in printing numbers, you don't have a number in output. Actually, your number changed to a string type, and it doesn't have that benefits that numbers had. And in the next lesson, you will learn how to get a computer to do math for you, and will solve your first code coach challenge. Okay, and the last question that said which of the following options is a great way to output lesson completed. So we must print the lesson completed. Print lesson completed. Look at here, the codes marks are not uh, enough. Out is not true. Print lesson completed is true option. And finish this lesson. In the next lesson in this season, we are going to learn simple operations. That is this one. So we should be ready for this lesson. You also can do these uh, levels with me in sololearn and move toward together and move forward together with this easy course. Thanks for following us in this video and in this course. I am Puya and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.